us. So let's do it. Cheers. Okay guys, here we are, and let's go down the path. You okay carrying that? Thank you. Also trying to find a good spot to go fishing later, but we want to get all of our adventuring out of the way first. I think I might do some before dinner fishing.
Of course.
Yeah.
Because if we catch, that's what
Dinner.
we're gonna have for dinner.
We're gonna have a fish fest.
Maybe we could share with the guys, the turkey hunters.
Yeah, exactly. Got to remember to stop. We got to get our mushroom eyes on.
We can mushroom eyes on the way back.
Okay,
Busy
so
watching where we're going.
there's a fork in the road. I'm still gonna go down to the water.
Oh.
I didn't see. Oh, I think we made the correct.
Oh, the bridge.
Yeah,
You
this
need
is-
to go up, right?
Yeah, this might go underneath the bridge for fishing.
Well, let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Well,
You wanna go check it out?
yeah, let's go actually check it out.
Yeah, see what the water looks like here.
Oh, walk back up.
All of this is really close to the campsite, so I'm perfectly fine walking down here. This looks like a nice hole too, honestly. There is butt tons of nice fishing spots here.
Fishing holes.
Yeah.
Oh, what's snow?
Oh yeah, we'll smell the right there, that pink stuff. Right, okay, right on this rock. This is a hell of a fishing hole. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this is good too.
Yeah, look at the rock. It goes all the way down here.
Not as secluded as we're doing, but
Someone was fishing with a Rapala. Wow. You got that whole cast right there you can do. I don't know if I'd fly fish right here, but I got my spinner rods. I wouldn't mind doing it there. And there is the bridge in question. The suspension bridge of doom!
no.
Of fun! And there will be the other side. Let's take the adventure and go across it.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you. Take the back way. Take the rhododendron tunnel way.
The back rhododendron.
The back rhododendron. All right. Sweet. Hello. We also saw a big great blue heron too fly over the last fishing spot we were at. Yeah.
There's a bunch of little white things.
That chicken we found was awesome. Looks like there's a little makeshift path right from the road that comes down here as well.
Rock slide.
Yeah. Here's the bridge. Okay. Now this isn't a swinging bridge, it's just a suspension bridge, but it's basically the same.
Oh my lord, this one swings a whole lot more than the last.
Yeah, it's much more.
Swinging bridge.
Okay, you gotta go slow on this one. It's a little bit of wobble. Alright, let's do this. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I can't really describe how wobbly this thing is, but it's very
And it's wet, it's slippery.
wet and wobbly. I'll let her go forward and then I'll go forward.
What?
And she can go forward and I'll go forward.
See, the bottom should be attached and it's not.
Oh wow. Don't look over here. Can you? I don't know if you can see this.
Oh, is it missing a... Oh, fudge.
Stepped in the middle. Stepped across. Perfect.
I got it. Oh my gosh.
Step in the middle, step across. Oh, okay. This is the most precarious bridge I've ever crossed. All right.
Okay, you got some missing.
Now from this beautiful waterfall, we got to go up to Rivendell, up the magical stairs. We're going to take our time on these stairs, but they do look very magical and pretty. It almost reminds me of Ricketts Glen State Park with the waterfall.
Yes.
And we actually get a chance to see a little bit more rainbow falls as well.
I'm excited. I'm scared.
Would you like to go first or second?
I'm going to go slow.
Okay. Unbelievable. Wow. Then the path turns that way. Look at this. All the way down.
Oh my God.
Tell you what, you got to put in the effort. You got to get outdoors. You got to, because you got to see shit like this. It's amazing. And the mushrooms. That way? Green path, yeah, we're on the right one. There's a white blaze that continues that way and follows the falls. There's another bridge over there as well. We're heading to Trough on the Green Blaze Trail. We're doing real hiking today, hon. Wow. Yeah. I'm happy about it. Oh, good, more stairs.
Oh God. Scary.
This is quite the place. Quite the place. Wow. The Yellow Blaze Trail starts from here. I think that's called Anchor Run. Here it is. Get out of her view. Just take a picture. Can't really see it, but you can sure hear it. There's a one for the cover. Balanced rock. So apparently this is the last large structure of a massive cliff face that used to rise up that is now down here. Way down there. And you just tip it. That's all. A lot of 24s. Yeah, they're all the graffiti is 24s. People that brought a Sharpie with them. Look at that valley. And there's the Balanced Rock overlook on the other side. Over there. We have a picture of it from there. I got my waterproofs on. Ah.
Put it on pause and let's set up the tripod.
Yeah. Let's take a picture. We'll be back. Here it is, Balanced Rock. How amazing is that? And what a beautiful hike to get up here for sure. You definitely need to check it out at the Trough Creek State Park. Anyway, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Outdoors.